Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, Principal, Vice Principal, respected teachers, and my lovely students. Warm greetings to all of you. I, Radhika Guzar, teacher of our secondary school, would like to take this opportunity to deliver a speech on Independence Day. I am sure you will agree to the fact that 15th August holds a special place in our heart, and therefore we all eagerly await the day, don't we? It is momentous day when we all pay homage to our great freedom fighters and remember the glory brought to our nation through their sacrifices, struggle, and brave front shown during the freedom struggle of our country. The Independence Day in India, therefore, marks not only the day of freedom of India from the British rule, but it also epitomizes the resilience and the power our nation that has the ability to fight back and achieve its objective that it sets when all the people of our country come together. And in this 73 years, there has been no looking back as India has only been making a progress so much so that the day is not far behind when it will become a great superpower. We did not even complete 4 years of independence, and our country got strengthened with the declaration of its becoming a republic guided by the Constitution of India, which the entire world applauds even till today. We are a multicultural as well as multilingual nation that our strength lies in its unity and diversity. From agriculture to technology, our country is ranked among the world leading countries, and there is no question of retrieving assets as we are moving on to get bigger and better. On the Independence Day, we not only recall the sacrifices made by our great freedom fighters, but also remember all our nation's achievements, which further encourage us to excel in different walks of life. To our delight, today we are counted among the leading five military powers across the globe, and credit goes to our valiant soldiers who protect our borders day and night so that we can be at peace in our country. They not only protect us from every possible terrorist attack, but also remain available for rescue operation when any calamity hits the country. Now, in the end, let me just say that no nation is perfect and every nation has its share of shortcomings. Also, it is a futile exercise to compare one nation to other because every nation is unique in itself and possesses its own share of strength and weakness. On this Independent Day, let us take pledge to contribute towards our nation's growth and development as best as we can and take it to great heights. However, we do not need any big initiatives to prove our love for our motherland because by contributing such initiatives as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, and lending support to our domestic brands, we can make our country a beautiful place to live in. At last, this is all I have to say. हमारा भारत महान. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Happy Independence Day to all of you.